so we're gonna start with the honey. 1/4 cup. So we're gonna add the white chocolate chips. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of the seeds. We're gonna have both sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Now I want to add some of the dark chocolate that's right here. We're gonna add another 1/4 cup. And we're gonna add a cup of oats. And add some slivered almonds. That's gonna be a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. Ooh, and I have an idea. We are going to add, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoonfuls of almond butter. Then, we are going to mix this really well. And we're going to mix these first and add little by little, so that the mixture grabs all of the ingredients there. I love to use forks, by the way, because they are so easy to handle. I think they're much easier to handle than spoons. So here we go. I'm gonna add little by little. And we're gonna just do this. Imagine you're doing pasta and you have the egg yolks in the middle and the outside is going to grab all of the egg yolks. This is gonna happen here. You might have to put your hand in there, but that's it. Okay, now let's add a little more. I think this is going to be perfect. This is going to be a great mixture of nuts, seeds, and the oats. So it's going to be high in energy, but altogether it's not going to be something that should elevate your blood sugar, because it has all of the other ingredients to balance out the sugar as it goes into your body. It will give you energy. It's not like a post-energy bar that needs to be high in carbs, because these carbs are whole. And the honey is not as quick as if it were glucose. But these are fantastic for bars, energy bars, that are healthy and delicious, and you know everything that's in here. Check them out. In minutes, we have our mixture almost done. We go through the bottom to make sure we don't have any dry ingredients in the bottom, and mix them. So I have to try it. I'm thinking it's a little bit of salt. Everything that's sweet needs a tiny bit of salt. If you don't add salt, you're gonna have to add tons and tons of sugar for it to taste better. Salt brings out the sugar, the sweetness of the product without having to add excess. Just a bit. Everything has a little bit of salt. Cake has salt, muffins have salt. They all have a little bit of salt to bring out the flavor of everything inside. So we are ready. Here's our other pan, and we're going to use this pan to put them in there and bake them. Oops, I got stuck to the microphone. Se pegó al micrófono. No lo he podido quitar, pero el micrófono está en su puesto. Eso, pongámoslo ahí. Listo. Okay. You might want to do this. Grab some water. And make little balls. Why do you want some butter? Because, some water, because it's gonna help you, your hands stay without sticking to all the mix. And if you need some more water, just add some more water, it's gonna bake off. So, no problem. Let me put this here so you can see it better. And remember, honey is twice as sweet as maple syrup. So if you use maple syrup, they might not be that sweet. If you want them less sweet, if you want them more sweet, you can add a little more. Just taste them right before they go into the oven so that they're perfect for your taste. These are gluten-free oats, so this recipe is gluten-free, but you can use any kinds of oats you want. Now I'm gonna need some more water so I can make them flat. So a little tooth of water there. You see they don't stick. And now I can flatten them, make them really flat so that they bake together and they come out well from the oven. And here we have our bars that are going into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 300. We don't want them to be very, very high because we want the centers to dry out too. So if your oven's not that hot, or maybe it's like mine that has some vapor, it might take it a little bit longer. No worries, they're gonna come out. Pero no importa, ahorita lo sacamos. to be turned around and cooled, and you have some amazing oat bars. Let's do this so we don't all fall together. Oats. They're super hot. It's better you let them cool a little bit, but since we're making the videos, we need the time. Ah, they're beautiful. Muy, dale pues dos para la foto.